Alrighty, boys, we got some old vintage Yamahas we're gonna take out for a ride in our local ditch, of course. Some low budget activities on a Saturday morning. What do you got, Kel? What are you driving?
I got the old 79 Exciter.
I got the old Inviter.
Oh, and I got a 93 Exciter 570 you guys saw that we revived recently. So we're gonna take these suckers out for a rip. Caleb's rocking a retro vintage vest, and then Mark's got the vintage Yamaha jacket, and then I got this old maybe 90s Polaris jacket. So we're repping vintage gear and vintage sleds. A little bit of after Christmas fun.
What's the combined total we spent on all three?
I have 200 in mine. Mark's got maybe 200 at most.
Mine's technically free.
I'm free.
So less than 500 bucks in all three sleds, guys. And we're gonna go rip these things in the ditches before this snow is gone. Hopefully another snowstorm on the way. Man, my hair is looking wild today, boys.
We're all looking Lloyd.
Other than that, I think we're gonna hop on these rigs. I'll put the GoPro on. We're gonna take them for a rip, and that's gonna be it for this one. So we'll catch you on the snow. You guys ready? All right.
Oh, he's that slick board.
Mine aren't too slick.
I got a little sticky throttle going left.
Oh, dude. Oh.
two scissors couldn't get any closer together. They were just scissor tight.
It was like two lesbians out there, dude. Just scissors.
Dude, somebody blew like a smoke fell into the snow and it was just smoldering there. It was just. Whew, I'm gonna have to go put mine away in the back shed, I think. I'm gonna park mine back there. Mark, you putting yours in the shed up here?
Someone else can park it. I can jump up on top. Maybe
My freaking feet got so much snow on them, dude.
that's
And
what
that's the
happened
ice.
with the SRV.
His spray's worse than the inviter.
No! Dude, I was behind this thing. I couldn't fucking see it.
Dude, he sprayed me with chunks of ice flying at me, dude. It was like being at Nutterville when I got pelted by the guy with the long track.
You guys fall in the soft shit?
Oh, dude, so
I'll be going and shit.
when we turned the corner to come back, I went in that left side to all soft stuff. You're on the right. I had it maxed over, just crying the whole way down.
Oh.
That's great. At least you got the ripple of it.
Dude, you almost hit me with those cuts. I know. I punted you down in that corner.
Yeah,
I'm
I
like,
seen it.
uh-oh.
Yeah.
I couldn't. This thing doesn't steer for shit.
Dude,
No.
see,
You have to drift.
Well, boys, that was fun.
hell yeah.
It was a good time.
Yeah.
We'll be back at it again.
Yeah. We got a lot more snow coming.
Imagine if it was just 20, it just froze to 20 below zero. You go out there and it's just hard.
dude, these things fly.
Yeah, on the hard pack for sure. So that was fun, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the ditch riding. I'm sure we'll do it again soon, and we'll definitely be using old iron once again.
Oh yeah.
Nothing newer than 2000.
Maybe
Gross.
some Larson.
No.
My thumb's got thumb pump, dude. This cable pushes so hard, the oil pump on it.
Yeah.
We also have a couple special machines that need some deep powder testing.
Yes, they do. So we'll see you guys in the next video.